friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out the TOZO NC20. These feature the LDAC, which is the Bluetooth encoding for basically high definition sound. Unfortunately, those who use iPhones and whatnot can not take advantage of that, but those with like Android devices like myself can do so. So this came with the little ear covers, the silicone ear covers that are already on there, and then five extra pairs, so 6 in total for just total customization. Very small, compact, lightweight. Let's check out the sound in these, shall we, guys? So this fits nicely in this little box. It gives you a little readout, 92% left and right. So very long lasting life. Let's check out the sound on these. I'm going to test out also the microphone, so let you guys hear that as well. Okay, let's try this out. We'll check out the app here. So I got these in, click start the connection. All right, here we go. Connected. Put these in right and left. Okay, so let's check out the app here, guys. Just a ton of settings on here. So here we have the EarTune AI, and this is basically a test that just attunes. It gives you a bunch of different sounds. You tell it if you hear the sound or not. So it's from low, very low noises to like loud noises and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. And then it just like gives you that fine tuning for a specific sound for your ears. So it's not going to give you sounds that you can't hear. It gives you that in that range. So we have the ANC automatic noise canceling. So we have the noise cancellation, transparency mode, wind reduced mode. So all these can be just switched over to these with just the push of a button. You can also use the tap of the button on the side here, or not as the sensor on the side, to change that as well. Okay, so we have leisure mode, adaptive mode, normal mode, transparency mode. Tells us right here on the app, the right and left battery there. We can go to our equalizer. We can change a bunch of stuff in here. You can log in, you can do an advanced equalizer, switch up the sounds on there also. I go to sound effects. You can switch all these up, just make it however you want. You do bass boost, classical. There's all these different things you can set up for however you want it. Very, very cool. This thing is, I mean, this has a lot of stuff on here. So the app has the music mode. We also have the spatial mode here, so that's really nice. I kind of like the spatial mode better. It sounds like it's more like coming around from like everywhere. You can go to settings. You can check out the low latency, wear detection. If you want it to, as soon as you take it off, you want to turn it off, or when you put it on, and it turns on. Dual device connection if you want. LDAC, of course, which is for the Android users. Touch controls, so you can set those up. Different modes as far as the left ear. Hey, these are the things I want for click, preview songs, and you can set all of that customizable to whatever you want. Right ear, same thing. Whatever you want, voice assistant, volume, restore defaults, all those things. So very cool on there. Like I said, there is a lot of stuff on this app, guys. Find my earbuds. You can just ring that. Obviously, not going to do that while I'm wearing this because it can be a little loud. And here's a feature I've never seen before. It's the water drainage. So if maybe you're taking a shower or something, get a little water in there, you can hit this thing, and I guess the vibration or the frequency or something like that will pick up, and it'll drain the earbuds. That's really cool. I never seen that feature before. We got the volume balance. So if it's, we can adjust between the right and the left a little bit. Function sorting, EarTune, ANC. So you can drag and adjust the buttons. I mean, I'm not even joking. There's like so much stuff on here, guys. Pretty crazy. So that's just the home. We can go to the AI here. And it has real-time translation, meeting recordings, simultaneous interpretation, AI chat. So these things can be upgraded on here. You can log in with your email and do different stuff. So that's really cool. It has all these different like recommended relaxing, soothing, hypnotic things. So you can just play those if you want. A lot of stuff here. And go to the community, and then it has this like TOZO community here as a bunch of different things, maybe songs and whatnot. Go to products and you can check out your shopping cart. Go to your TOZO. Just a lot of stuff on here, guys. So this is fully customizable as far as the earbuds. I really like all the features on here. Excellent sound here. Just really cool on the app. So one touch, pause. One touch again, play. 3 taps. We can do the noise canceling. Shift through the noise canceling on the left side with 1 tap. 1, 2, 3, and then if you tap it 3 times in a row, it'll like turn it off. So very cool. Like the buttons, or they're not buttons, the sensors here are very responsive. I can double tap for skip the music to the next song. I'm actually just going to pull up some Amazon Music here. Let's check out the sound on this bad boy, shall we? Bum, bum, bum. So very comfortable, lightweight. They're not going to go flying off or anything. Super long battery life on these as well. They're listen later. Okay, hopefully we can pull up a song that's got some decent bass and stuff like that so we can actually test it out. Okay, here we go. Wow. Wow, let's go. So it's on spatial audio right now. I'm going to switch it over to music mode. So the spatial audio, switching between equalizer mode or the music mode and spatial audio, I kind of like the spatial audio. Sound like it's more coming from like surround sound. Okay, so we can adjust the tap control too. So left click is the switch modes. Double click is the previous song, and triple click is like normal mode. And then the right has single click is play pause, double click next song, triple click voice assist, and long press for volume. So if I want the volume up, I just hold it down and the volume continues to go up. Wow. Whoa. And hold it down on the left side to go down. So guys, excellent sound quality. I want to try out the noise cancellation here. So remove my settings, noise cancellation. I'm going to turn off this song here. Okay. Okay, transparency mode. So I can hear other things around me. So it has normal mode, leisure mode. Normal mode is basically, it's just like an earplug pretty much. Then we go switch to noise cancellation. Okay, and then that even kicks in. So normal is basically just like we're an earplug. Noise cancellation, I think how it works is like the other sounds, it like cancels them out with another sound, basically, kind of, sort of. It like gets like feedback or something. It's pretty high tech. It's pretty cool though. And then we have the transparency mode, so you can hear stuff around you, and that'll allow you to actually hear stuff that's going on. So that's cool. And then reduce wind noise. Okay, I can't hear any wind, but sorry. So, all right. Anyways, guys, the sound quality on here is amazing. Setup was super easy. The app is crazy. I don't think I've seen an app with this much stuff on it, as far as like just we'll go through the app a little bit, but all the AI stuff, the translation modes, everything like that is pretty insane. But yeah, super comfortable, guys. Very lightweight. I like that it's got the LDAC for those Android users. The case is sweet. It has a big screen on there, display that shows you like how long the batteries are going to last and what the percentage they're at. Not how long they're going to last, but what percentage they're at. Like that you can charge it right in the case there. This is also a wireless too, so you can just set it on one little wireless charger to charge up the case as well. But yeah, like excellent sound quality, guys. I mean, it's hard to tell anymore. These sound devices are getting so good. With the whole, I think it's with the AI is just helping like advance stuff that much faster now, but it's pretty crazy. This really good sound quality coming out of these devices now, and they gotta just everyone's stepping up their game with the equalizers, AI translation, noise cancellation, and just like super comfortable. These things are getting smaller. The batteries are lasting longer. So I'm just really impressed with these. Okay, friends. So this recording is done with these, not this. So just talking normally. Yeah, overall, my friends, final thoughts on these. Very compact, lightweight. I like that they support the LDAC. Sound quality is excellent. The touch controls very responsive. There's not a button, you just press your finger on it. The music volume plenty loud, excellent surround sound, excellent bass. Equalizer is fully customizable, has a translation feature on the app. A bunch of nice stuff on the app as well. The customized sound test, everything like that. So very small, compact, lightweight, user friendly. They're comfortable as well, not feeling like they're going to fall out of there. You should have like really good battery life as well. But just if you're looking for a nice, comfortable, high quality sound device, I mean, these things are getting more and more sophisticated with AI help and the frequencies and all kinds of stuff. So they're just yeah, the sound quality is getting a lot better, guys. It's hard to differentiate between like super high end sound devices and other ones are catching up. So these are pretty good sound as far as like just like listening to bass on some songs and some other just like the aspect of the quality of the sounds like that, the noise canceling, the ambient noise, all that stuff. Seems like some very nice features on here that seem to work really well. So. And then, of course, you're just hearing me on the microphone here. We'll test it back and see how it sounds. But all in all, my friends, just an excellent little device here.